What's good, y'all? Gang, gang, gang. We out here, man. We out here. It's day 9. I think I'm gonna go to the beach for day 10, but for day 9, we are about to bike ride to the Santee Alley. So we're gonna bike ride over there. So I'm about to walk to my bike right now, so I'll see y'all in a minute. Gang. Yes, sir. So I got my bike, y'all. And like I said, we about to head to the Santee Alley. It's like a little outdoor shopping spot in downtown LA. I think it's gonna be about a 15 to 20 minute bike ride. I ain't gonna really film while I'm biking because people in downtown are crazy. They might run me over or something. So I'm gonna put the camera in the bag and I'll see y'all when I get there. Peace out. We made it, y'all. Had to park the bike right here. Hopefully it don't get stalled. But we here. About to walk around. Trying to find some vintage tees. Got some Laker stuff over here. Okay. Got everything you need over here. Hopefully I find my vintage tees out here. Oh, he's trying to get freaky out here. They got the DVDs. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. They got everything out here. Oh, they got the hats? Oh, bet. Got all the hats in here. Got the jerseys. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna be back there for sure. Hey, I'm about to start coming here more often. Oh, okay. Got the bombs. Got the stuff for the kids. Got the jewelry. Okay, I see the Supreme hats. Crenshaw. See. Okay, okay. Bro, and I say they have everything you can think of. Like, they got the action figures, they got clothes, they got food, hats, anything. Across the street real quick. Still ain't found like the rock star vintage shirts that I'm looking for though. I haven't quite seen them yet. We're gonna find them though. I'm seeing too many like California. I'm not looking for California hat shirts. I'm looking for the vintage rock star, you know. Even some hip hop joints is hard. So I already got my sweat too. I'm so sweating pretty good on the bike ride, so the 9th day is complete. Excuse me. The 9th day is complete for the Get Your Sweat Challenge, but we're gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone today. You know, I wanted to shop and get a sweat in, so that's what we're doing. I'm telling you, it's everything out here. Bluetooth speakers, phone cases, little tights for the women. We got food trucks over there. Stuff for beds. Man, they got everything out here. Got the face masks. Face masks over there. But yeah, man, I found my spots. I found my spots that I wanted to go to, but I ain't really had no cash on me, so I gotta go back home. Probably come back up here later this week or this weekend or something. But it was good out here to see all this different stuff that's going on. People watch a little bit. But yeah, I'm about to head back to my bike and get back home. I appreciate y'all watching. You know, like I said, this is day 9. We got one more day left, so I hope y'all enjoy day 9. That glamorous or, you know, super nice, like Beverly Hills, like everybody, you know, kind of be expecting. So I kind of like doing this type of stuff because it gives you a different little outlook on how LA is. So I'm gonna keep going a little bit. Yeah, I thought my bike was gonna get stalled, but it's still here. Yeah, got to the bike. It's time to head home. Hey y'all, I was almost home, right? I was just biking home, minding my business, and out of nowhere, I saw that. I'm like, oh, if anybody know, if you know, you know. And if you don't know, then you need to go watch Hotel Cecil on Netflix, because this hotel right here is crazy. And I'm just casually riding past it. So, you know me, I'm about to get out of here because I don't like the vibes around here. So we're about to be out of here. Cause I wasn't even trying to come over here, but I had to pass it on my way to get home. So it is what it is. But we're about to ride past it though. They really changed the name to Stay on Main though. They really changed the name. Stay on Main. Yeah, this hotel cool. I'm good on that hotel. But like I said, if you ain't seen it, you need to watch it on Netflix. I'm about to get off of here so I can ride in peace. I can ride safe, ride with both hands. So I'll see y'all when I get back home. Back at the crib, y'all. Definitely sweating. Even if y'all can't see it, I'm still sweating. But day 9 is complete, man. So I gotta lock my bike up. That's about it, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Yeah, man, Santee Alley, it was a success. They had everything over there, but hey, let me find out some of y'all buying y'all Rolexes on Santee Alley, man. I sure saw a couple people like, hey, I got Rolexes for sale, Rolexes for sale. Let me find out y'all buying them on Santee Alley, man. Cause they had Gucci, everything, Rolexes, they had everything over there, but I don't know, man, that shit was a little fugazi, but